At quantspark, we believe your business or organization is primarily an information system. And our job is to help understand what information you're using to make decisions and where there's an opportunity to use data analytics and AI to make your organization more effective and profitable. This is quite a distinctive approach. You'll have a variety of information at your disposal. It might be structured data, it could be unstructured. The value you're providing is turning that information, whether it's structured data or not, into effective decisions. So the way we think about this is every organization, public or private, has informational data that you're processing and making good decisions, hopefully. And the value that you're providing is a combination of having the right information processed in the right way, supporting the right decisions. And this approach is agnostic to any company. What we do at quantspark is distinctive because we deliberately blend two disciplines. There are many effective, very successful consultancies who are excellent at understanding the problem, communicating, change management. They're great at planning, but often they tell you what to do and then leave. So we've taken some inspiration from this, but also we recognize on the other side of things, there are also great software engineering consultancies that are excellent builders, but often lack the strategic context to ensure they're building the right thing in the right way. At quantspark, we bridge that gap. We do both. And we think this is really important because in the age of AI, it's possible to build anything. It's also possible to build things that aren't quite right. So being strategic about what we're building, how we're using data analytics and AI is more important than ever before. At quantspark, we're an end-to-end capability. We're small, but we have a diverse range of skills from strategy, data science, engineering, and change management. So how do we work? Well, firstly, we map how your business or organization works. Where are you adding value? What information are you using? What processes do you have now? And how should that be updated in the future? In many ways, this is quite traditional consulting work that you'd expect a business analyst to do. But actually, this is really important for us because by mapping and modeling how your organization works, we can identify opportunities for improved data and analytics and a deployment of whatever AI makes sense for you. We think of this quite visually in terms of workflows. Once we've done that, we will build a prototype solution to focus on one specific process, which will vary depending on your business and industry. Being specific here is very important. The final stage is deploying a tool and solution. In our case, we're using AI to build tools, and deploying this effectively is really important to ensure high adoption and longevity of the work that we're supporting you with. We build AI-powered tools that teams actually use as a combination of systems theory and design theory. If this is of interest, we can help you. Reach out and we'd be delighted to support you with your 2026 AI strategy.